my Julsz, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Big up your damn clean self. As you can see here, this is the Christmas preparation my husband and I did. So what you can see in the video is me and Hubby, we're seasoning up the meat. Cause you know say when at Christmas you have to season meat 2 or 1 or how much night before, so the meat can well marinate, you understand? So yeah, this is what Hubby and I are doing. We're simply just seasoning up the meat, having a little chin wag and bonding. The reason why there is a voiceover is because the background he was playing music, and I know how YouTube one with them copyright something there, and yeah, minute and 8. But yeah, this is Hubby and I just having a jolly good time before Christmas. And I just thought to do a voiceover as well because I haven't really been introducing the vlogs of lately, and I do apologize for that. I just simply show you what I'm doing, which is not really good as a vlogger, so I do apologize. I hope you accept my apology, and I'm gonna try and do better next year. But yeah, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and I pray that God provides the richest blessings for you in the new year. Continue to subscribe to your girl, continue to support your girl by liking, commenting, sharing, and obviously just being around, watching, engaging in my content. Watch Mommy Sheena. Yeah, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Honestly speaking, I'm so appreciative. I can't even express it in words. Honestly, you guys keep me going. I love reading your comments. I love just engaging with you guys. This is Julsztymm, and you know, so over here we have a good time all the time. And you know, so if you was a good timer, or if you was me Julsz and them something there, me just want to say big up your nice clean self, and I love you very much. Do you think I could be like a radio presenter? Me feel like so me have the attitude and the voice feet, you understand? Yeah. No, me ramp too much. Me's a big pitney. No sir, me's a big pitney. Yeah, no man, me need to go on better. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I do sincerely love you guys. Oh, and before I go, please go over to my mother's channel and subscribe. Yeah, big up you mommy, Prestige J. Yeah. And also please go and follow my Instagram, Julsztymm, Julsz and Tussie's vlog, to keep up with me and Babe separately from YouTube, and my business page, The Pretty Dolls Vibe. I'll also be creating a page for my food content, because whenever I take pictures, I kind of want to show it off. So I think I'm gonna name it something along the lines of beep beep beep. I don't know yet, but yeah, I will. I'll be leaving the name below. I'm also an author, if you didn't know. Yeah, I do have a book on Amazon. It's called Love on Two Soils. It was about when Hubby and I was in a long distance relationship. I do also give tips and tricks on how to survive an LTR. Go over and please buy a book. I'm currently in the process of actually writing a new book, and that's gonna be saucy, very saucy. It's like a romantic novel kind of book, you know, fictional of course, but I'll be taking events from my actual life, not my life, but like me, I'm gonna take 1 and 2 events from somewhere and kind of put it in there and make it kind of saucy. So look out for that book. That should be dropping summer of next year. Yeah. I know it's a good girl over here, so I always do her thing. And yeah, I've tried to speak out this whole 6 minutes. It ain't gonna happen. I'm kind of getting tired of my own voice, so if I'm getting tired, so are you. So I gotta just shut up now. I'm gonna finish watch the video, and yeah. I'm gonna go and try and do something productive. I love y'all, and you can always connect with me on my socials. Don't be scared, come and talk to your girl. And this is Julsztymm. Over here we have a good time all the time. Big up yourself, me old Julsz, me new Julsz, me in between Julsz, and me good timers. One love. Bye.